Oh my gosh. Alright, it's really went across McMillan Street. Totally flooded just since I've walked. And the creek is coming up this side. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's over my knees here at my car. Okay, since I done that short little video clip, this is how fast it's coming. From the creek up at McMillan Street, bridge up at Shamrock. It's not over the bridge yet, but the creek has come out of the banks down by the football field. Coming along the school, crossing there at my light pole into my yard. Oh, my car's in the water now. It's up to the front door steps. Let's go on down the road so I can film and get back before it crosses my bridge. Oh my gosh, this is awful. Bad. There is no more coming down this street. Right up to the bridge. It's fixing to go over this thing. I rescued Jerry and Lorraine's lawn ornaments. Creek's coming across to the Rotary Park. Even with the banks, it's cut across into Jeanette Baggett's yard. Parking picnic tables underwater. Or in the water, I should say. Covered. This is my front yard. all the way up to my barn pile around the barn. Hasn't went over the bridge here yet. This is the creek all around the barn. Here's the bale of hay from what the photographers use. Bad flood. Hope everyone's safe. Water's now got up to my porch steps. It's surrounded my house. I've had to evacuate my animals. My entire chicken coop, all my chickens and roosters, put them on the back porch. It's going in our basement. Look, my niece are here. Famous singing roosters. Pit bulls having a blast. All in my chicken coop. Gonna be a really long night. I was just down at the creek about an hour ago. I could walk all the way to where the creek bed was. Within an hour I come out, it's up higher than it was this morning. This is really, really bad, folks. This is the creek. The blooming creek is in my yard. All the way around my house. Gosh, up to my knees. Over the back porch first step. This is crazy. The creek is now busted out of its banks, so the massive flood part is pouring over into the yard. Hopefully this tree will keep it shifted away from the house. The water out back is up to the first step at the kitchen door. This is terrible. I'm tired of it. Tired of the rain. The whole entire creek on McMillan Street, the creek has shifted. It's coming totally down the road over into our yard, surrounded our house. It's right here at the front porch. Over the front porch first step. All around the house. Cannot see it. This is crazy.